Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to link a menu to a section in Wix in 2024. So, of course, linking a menu to a section or to a specific section on Wix websites is a great way to improve navigation and user experience. It will allow visitors to jump directly to different sections on your page or of your page. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you can use this if you want. Go to the URL section. Basically, just type wix.com right away. Hit the enter button. You'll be taken to the home screen or main screen. And of course, if it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to this page instead. So click on login to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, click on get started or sign up instead, and you'll be taken here. You can use for creating accounts Google or Facebook, and for login you can use Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts if you don't want to go through all the points of creating and even or logging in or even creating your account. But for creating, you'll not find Apple. So once you're logged in or create your account, you'll find yourself here and kind of dashboard where you can find all the sites that you have. So in here, once you find those sites, example, so for me, I have two sites, like one edited by a Wix Studio and one edited by Wix Editor. So I'll open both and show you how to link a menu to a section in both. So let's start by the Wix Editor. It's normally the ones that opens fast or the first. So first of all, we need to navigate into the page where you want to link the menu to sections. Ensure that you have sections set up on your page. If you don't, you need to create a new section as example. So I'll just first of all navigate to that page. Go here to pages. I have here assistant page as an example. Just going to access that. A button in here that's linked to the home page. I'll just go and delete that. I don't need it anymore. And yeah, I'll just go here and click on add the design section already. And I'll click on, I don't know, just add random section in here. So about to subscribe. Yeah, why not? Let's just add this section. Okay, sure. So add in Wix forms because it's form. So it will add this as you can see. So this section is added, right? So here, first of all, once you add the section, of course, once you'll have to select then the section. Of course, just make sure to select it, as you can see. So how can you know it's selected? For example, if you click on anything else, you'll see it. So example, if I click in here, as you can see, and if I click in here, so this section, that means this section is selected by this, like purple. Yeah, this purple like outline. So just go and select it. And of course, as example, you can choose the type of section that you want to add. For me, as an example, I added this specific section on the page. And to link, of course, a menu to a specific section, first you'll need to add an anchor to choose or to those sections. You can click on the section that you want to link. As example, just go and click on right click as example. You can click on quick edit to edit the specific section as example. You can edit the content of it as you can see in here. You can give it a title. So for me, I'll just give it like a test title. Why not? Or testing instead. Of course, you can change the background, you can change the layout, you can change everything that you want about it. So I'll just go and as you can see, just in here, yeah, I have this. I'll just even delete this text. I'll let it just like that. Yeah, this email, I'll put this at the top a little bit and it should be good to go. So this whole section is good to go as it seems. So once we have this section already and we edit and everything, as I said, we'll need to add like an anchor to it. So we go to this list panel and click on not add sections, where it's like the layouts or layers. So of course, if I go here to page and menu, as example, in this same page, if we click on these three dots, normally, of course, we can make it a sub page and etc. If we click on settings, so yeah, I need the layout of it as example. So you can just put no header and footer, just a standard, just a normal page without it. Yeah, it will be good. And also you can add the menu item as example, and make sure to add an anchor as example. Yeah, that's what I want. So example, where do you want to link into it? So to a section or anchor. Of course, like you can do that even with a button, but I'll show you even this step first. As example, which page? As example, yeah, this page and which where in that page as example on this section of subscribe. Why not? As you can see, and it will be added in the menu. For example, for me, I'll name it like testing. As you can see, click on done. So now this is simply added to the menu and linked to this specific section, which is assistant page and this and subscribe thing. I'll just go here and try it out. As an example, I'll go to the home page, and why not? So I'll just wait for the home page and set load. Here's an example. As you can see, it's added already on the menu at this end. So I'll go here and click on preview, and let's see. So click here on testing, and it will take us here. Of course, some people will tell me, okay, it took you to that page. It's the only thing that you have in that page. Okay, I'll add the multiple stuff in here. So just go and add elements as example. I try to add images as example. Yeah, images, not buttons. So just add here some random images as example, so I can make like the page longer. Okay, where's my images in here? So yeah, I want images, and as I said, I'll add some images in here. Yeah, I want them to add like, okay, just go here. Of course, I'll just first of all click on add a section, and I'll add another example service section. Why not? So we have here service. Okay, I'll just even delete this image then, like a random image. I'll add another section, so it can be a long page about section. Yeah, about section here. As you can see, so this page now has a lot of sections. So let's just test. Click on preview as example. And yeah, of course, like we don't have header or footer in this page. So let me just go back. I like deleted it. So just go to this page, the home page, which has the menu on it. And once it's load, of course, I'll click on preview, basically. And I will click basically then on testing, and it should take me to that subscribe option. As you can see, it took me right away into it, even if I have a lot of sections. The same basically will be for Wix Studio. So this is Wix Editor. So what we did is basically we go to the page and we right click the page as example, click on the settings of that page and simply layout. Of course, this layout, like I removed the header and footer. Let me just make it standard so the menu will look even here. And of course, you can simply just add your menu item, and it should be, of course, a link, and it should be linked to a specific like section anchor, or you can simply just choose anchor right away, and it will be able to do it. The same will basically be for Wix Studio. So go to the slice panel here. As you can see, you have layers right away, so you'll be able to see everything on it. As an example, you can just go and add whatever you want in here. So as an example, if we go to pages and if we click here, you'll be able to just add a new page as an example. But we want also to go and add a link to Anchor Library. So of course, you'll not be able to do it here and with YouTube, or not YouTube, sorry, on Editor or Studio Wix. So you can just go to the section that you want, maybe this one, right click, add an anchor. And once it's added as example, so let me just go and do it again. So anchor settings then. And this anchor settings as example, here's it. Just give it a name. It's just an example. Of course, make sure to enable it. It's not disabled. And yeah, so I name it like test. For example, now, once it's added as example, this is the anchor. We can simply just now go to the menu as example. So here, where is my menu? So I'll just go to my menu as example and go here. I don't know. Wait, let me just go and check one thing. So what do I have on this menu first of all? So I go, no. Let me just go and view it. Yeah, I want to review it. So, okay, I have company, expertise, projects, etc. So yeah, sure. So yeah, all I need here to do is simply add a new one. So just close this container, just close this header, and I can simply just go to the home page as an example. And so of course, normally we'll be able to click on manage menu. If we click in here, I don't know, where is like manage menu? Okay, I'll just go and like add completely other menu. So I'll just go here, add completely other menu. So yeah, I'll just go and add this menu here. Click on manage menu. Click on add items, basically click on link and make sure to link it to anchor. Choose the page where I add the anchor. So for me, I have anchor here on the home page. And yeah, I add an anchor called test. So click on done as an example. So this menu as example just puts it somewhere here. Okay, I already like have, okay, like here is it, I guess. Maybe I did not notice that. So yeah, I did not notice that menu. Okay, my bad. So I'll just go and click on that. Click on manage menu, click on add item, link. Here, click on anchor, choose page, this, and it's going to be this anchor. Click on done. Of course, As you can see, it will be added. You'll have to name it whatever you want. For example, name it test or whatever suits you. So testing. As you can see, it will be added to a menu right away. If you go and click on preview, as an example, if you click on it, you'll be taken to that exact one. Of course, you can also like do it on whatever page you want, maybe in a text page. I'll go here and add an anchor right away. So click on add an anchor here. And I'll name it hello. So hello like that. Go back to the home page where I have the menu. Click on that menu. Click on manage menu. Click on add item, link, anchor. So forgot which actually page I added the thing on. So I guess this was contact. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, hello, as you can see, done. As you can see, once I click on preview, and I'll find the hello here. So where's it? Okay, I did not like name it, but if I click on this link, yeah, I did not name it. So as you can see, I'll be taken to the contact. So let me just rename it. Click on the home page. And as you can see, here's it. I can just go and click on it, click on manage menu, and you can basically rename it to hello as example. And you should be good to go. Yeah, as you can see. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.